Hello all, my name is Vaibhav Joshi. I welcome you all to another set of videos on Tosca shortcuts. In this video, we'll learn some of the shortcuts from the requirement section. So let's quickly jump onto Tosca to learn more on it. So this is my requirement section. Now first I'll create a requirement and requirement set, and inside that requirement set I'll have n number of requirements. So I select this root folder requirement section, and a shortcut for creating a requirement is Ctrl N Ctrl R. So you can see that requirement set has been created. Now my requirement is to I want to have an insurance of my vehicles. Okay, so now this requirement set I'll rename it as vehicle insurance. Okay, now inside this requirement set vehicle insurance I will add n number of requirements. Suppose I wanted to have insurance of my motorcycle and I want to have insurance of my car. So those new two requirements I'll add it into the requirement set. So how will I add? Select this vehicle insurance requirement set, and the shortcut for creating a requirement set is again Ctrl N Ctrl R. Okay, so as you can see, this new requirement has been added. Now this new requirement I'll rename it as motorcycle. Okay, likewise if you want to add one more new requirement, so select this motorcycle, and shortcut for adding one more requirement is Control comma. So one more requirement has been added, and this time I'll rename it to car. Okay, likewise this under this vehicle insurance requirement set I have two requirements, a motorcycle and a car. Okay, now you can link your test case to your requirements. How you can do that? Select this requirement is motorcycle, and the shortcut for it is Ctrl N Ctrl L. So it says no test case linked. We haven't linked our test case to our requirements. Okay, similarly we do it for this one also. Press Ctrl N L. Okay, now I'll go to my test case section and I'll drag and drop my test case which I want to link it to my requirement. Okay, so now it has been linked. Okay, the moment I linked my test case to the requirement, it says from no test case link it has been changed to that test case name. Okay, for the second requirement I'll add this test case, so now change to test case name. Okay, now once you have created this requirement section, after creating this you have made several changes to your requirement section. Okay, so that's why this, if you can see this exclamation mark over here, that means you have made some changes to your requirement section. Now you need to save those changes. So how you will save those changes? Select this root folder and press F6. It will ask updating all values might take some time. Do you want to start the calculation now? Yes. So now you can see this exclamation mark has been disappeared. That means your changes has been saved. Okay, now if you can see this his requirement set has been, we have some weight column, contribution, coverage specified, and execution state. Okay, now if you don't want to see these percentage, or if you want to hide those changes, or if you want to see those changes, then the shortcut for it is F11. So that means it is now it's been hide. Okay, now if you want to see those changes again, then press F11. The values will be appeared again. So these are some of the shortcuts we have covered in this video. Hope you like the video. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Here at the Tricentis Academy, we aim to provide you with educational services that suit your needs, including role-based trainings where you can become certified specialists, video tutorials, MOOCs, and more. To learn more about the Academy, visit www.tricentis.com/academy.